What's up guys, today I'm bringing you another video where I am going to be trying out 3 candies that I've never eaten before. Today I'm testing out Sugar Babies, Toblerone, whatever that word is, and Gobstoppers. I have no clue what that word is it? Gobstopper, Gobstopper, I don't know. I'm going to start with the Sugar Babies. I don't think this is going to go well, just so y'all know. They look like beans. They smell weird, like they don't have a smell. Like, look at them, they look like beans. Like really hard beans. 1, 2, 3, go. Ugh. I don't like them. Ugh. Let me give you some more. Yeah. I didn't like that. Ew. To the next one. Gobstopper, I don't know. Okay guys, I'm gonna try the red one and the yellow one. They look like little bouncy balls. There's the red one. And there's the yellow one. Start with the yellow. Oh! Oh! Okay, don't chew them. Ah. I like it. Not bad. I'm gonna spit it out and try the red one. To the red one. Not bad. The only bad thing about them is don't chew them. Don't. To the next one. I have a bad feeling about this one, so I'm going to go get Pringles because Pringles are awesome. I'll be right back. Ooh, pizza Pringles. I haven't ate pizza Pringles in a long time. Pizza Pringles! Smells like pizza and Pringles. I have a bad feeling about this one. Like I'm kind of shaken. It's chocolate. Okay. Looks like chocolate. It's like 3 chocolate pyramids. That's really good. It's like Hershey's. That's really good. Better than the Gobstoppers. 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10. And 3 out of 10. The sugar babies are just nasty. Well, that's it. Question of the day. Do you have a pet? If so, what is your pet? Tell me in the comments.